Saint Raphael Kalinowski. Feast Day, November 19th. The Unwavering Faith, the Life and Legacy of Saint Raphael Kalinowski. Once upon a time, in the year 1835, in the quiet town of Vilnius, Lithuania, a child was born to Andrew and Josepha Kalinowski. This child, named Joseph, was destined for a remarkable journey of faith and devotion that would ultimately lead him to sainthood. His story is one of unwavering commitment to God, from his early years through a life of service, trials, and finally, his canonization as Saint Raphael Kalinowski. Chapter 1: The Early Years. From a young age, Joseph felt a profound call to the priesthood. He was a curious and diligent child, eager to learn about the world around him. Instead of immediately pursuing his vocation, he embarked on a journey of education, studying subjects as diverse as zoology, chemistry, agriculture, and apiculture. He honed his skills at the Institute of Agronomy in Hory Horki, Russia, and the Academy of Military Engineering in Saint Petersburg. Chapter 2: The Military Years. In 1857, Joseph became a lieutenant in the Russian Military Engineering Corps, a path that seemed to veer away from his religious calling. But God's plan was unfolding differently. Joseph was tasked with the construction of a railway between Kursk and Odessa, demonstrating his dedication and skill in his work. He rose to the rank of captain in 1862 and was stationed in Brest-Litovsk, where he initiated a Sunday school, welcoming all who were eager to learn. Chapter 3: The Call to Serve Poland. In 1863, Joseph's life took a dramatic turn as he supported the Polish insurrection against Russian rule. He became the Minister of War for the Vilna region, but with an unwavering commitment to his faith and principles, he refused to hand out death sentences or execute prisoners. This noble stance led to his arrest by Russian authorities, and he was sentenced to death. However, in a twist of fate, his sentence was commuted to 10 years of forced labor in the Siberian salt mines. A future martyr was spared. Chapter 4: Redemption and Exile. After enduring hardship and suffering in the Siberian mines, Joseph was released in 1873. He was exiled from his homeland and sought refuge in Paris, France, where he worked as a tutor for 3 years. Yet, his heart was restless, still yearning for his divine calling. Chapter 5: Answering the Call. In 1877, Joseph finally responded to the persistent call of his soul and entered the Carmelite order at Graz, Austria. With this new chapter in his life, he assumed the name Raphael. His spiritual journey was well underway. He pursued theological studies in Hungary and furthered his devotion at the Carmelite house in Zama, Poland. On January 15, 1882, he was ordained as a priest, a momentous occasion in the life of Saint Raphael Kalinowski. Chapter 6: A Life of Dedication. Saint Raphael's mission was clear: to restore the discalced Carmelites to Poland and to work towards church unity. He founded a convent in Wadowice, Poland, in 1889, collaborating closely with Blessed Alphonsus Mary Marek. He was renowned as a spiritual director, offering guidance and solace to both Catholics and Orthodox believers. His parishioners found in him an enthusiastic and devoted parish priest who spent countless hours hearing confessions and providing spiritual counsel. Chapter 7: The Final Journey. Saint Raphael Kalinowski's earthly journey came to an end in 1907. He left behind a legacy of unwavering faith, selfless service, and a commitment to reconciliation and unity. His memory lived on, and his relics found a resting place in the new cathedral in Irkutsk, Siberia. Chapter 8: Canonization and Beyond. The story of Saint Raphael Kalinowski's life was not confined to history. In 1991, Pope John Paul II canonized him as a saint, recognizing his profound dedication to God and humanity. His legacy endures, inspiring countless souls to walk a path of faith, love, and selflessness. And so, the life of Saint Raphael Kalinowski serves as a testament to the unwavering power of faith, the resilience of the human spirit, and the enduring impact of a life devoted to serving God and others. His story continues to shine as a beacon of hope and inspiration for all. Glowing star looking for daily inspiration from the saints? Subscribe to our channel and join us in celebrating the extraordinary life of #Raphael Kalinowski. Speech balloon, share your blessings and uplifting thoughts in the comments below, and let's spread the love and wisdom of this remarkable saint.